Many people after the age of 60 begin to lose the ability to sleep deeply. They have tried pills, melatonin, or calming teas, yet their nights remain restless and their mornings heavy with fatigue. What may surprise you is that the secret to reclaiming peaceful sleep might already be sitting quietly in your kitchen, the humble onion. For centuries, onions have been more than food. They have been used as gentle natural remedies to restore balance, calm the mind, and ease the body into rest. Modern science now confirms what ancient wisdom long knew. Onions can help relax the nervous system, reduce anxiety, regulate serotonin, and promote deep, natural sleep without the need for medication. Tonight on Golden Rest Guide, I'll reveal 4 simple and safe ways to use onions to improve your sleep. Each method is easy, requires no special equipment, and can bring noticeable change within days, especially the final one, which works faster than you might imagine. If you value your rest and want your nights to be peaceful again, stay with me until the end of this video, because the 4th method could truly change the way you sleep. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Golden Rest Guide and turn on the bell, so whenever we share a new, natural method for better sleep, you'll be the first to know. Let's understand why such a simple vegetable can have such a powerful effect. Inside an onion lies a treasure of flavonoids, antioxidants, and natural sedatives that support your body's circadian rhythm, the internal clock that tells your brain when to rest and when to rise. These compounds help calm the nervous system after a long day, reduce tension, and lower the heart rate, creating the perfect inner environment for deep rest. The tryptophan in onions helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, 2 key hormones that govern sleep cycles. When these hormones work in harmony, you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up refreshed. Studies have shown that onion extract rich in cysteine sulfoxide shortens the time it takes to fall asleep and improves overall sleep quality. Onions also contain quercetin, camphorol, and naringenin, powerful antioxidants that protect brain cells from aging and help maintain mental calmness at night. These compounds not only shield the brain, but also regulate melatonin release, helping you sleep soundly through the night. Now, how can you use this powerful gift from nature? The first method is the simplest: eating onions in the evening. This doesn't require a big change in your habits. You only need to add a small amount to your dinner. If your stomach tolerates it, eat them raw, about 30 to 50 grams a day, sliced into your salad to keep their crisp sweetness. If raw onions feel too strong, cook them lightly. A single small bulb per day, around 100 grams divided into 1 or 2 meals, is enough. Cooked onions still retain their sleep-promoting compounds and are easier to digest. Many seniors who add onions to their evening meals report that within a few nights they fall asleep more quickly and wake up less often. It's a gentle change that brings powerful results. The second method is unusual but surprisingly effective: placing sliced onions under your pillow. This ancient trick has recently been backed by science. When you slice an onion and place it near your pillow, the mild aroma gently diffuses through the air, calming your senses and helping you breathe more easily. It also helps keep mosquitoes and insects away, creating a quiet, undisturbed space for rest. Just slice half an onion, put it in a small clean bowl beside your pillow, and replace it every few days. If the smell feels strong, move it slightly farther away until you find your comfort zone. Many people find that this simple method helps them relax and drift off faster without any effort at all. The third method is for those who want faster results: placing a small jar of crushed onions near your bedside. When onions are crushed, their active compounds like phytoncides and tryptophan are released at a higher concentration. This aroma, when inhaled, helps calm the mind and quiet racing thoughts. To try this, crush a small onion, place it in a glass jar, and keep it near your bed. Before sleeping, open the lid and let the natural scent spread. You'll notice a wave of calm spreading through your body within minutes. This is a powerful option for nights when your mind is restless or heavy with thoughts. And now for the most effective method: drinking diluted onion juice before bed. This is the strongest and fastest way to use onions for sleep. Juice 1 medium-sized onion and mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of the juice with about 100 milliliters of warm water. Drink this mixture about 30 minutes before bedtime. Never drink it undiluted, as it may irritate the stomach. For sensitive stomachs, take it after dinner. Onion juice contains tryptophan, quercetin, and cysteine sulfoxide, a trio that reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, while boosting melatonin production. In clinical studies, people who used onion extract experienced faster sleep onset and fewer awakenings during the night. Many reported noticeable improvements within just 3 nights, falling asleep faster, sleeping more deeply, and waking up refreshed instead of tired. However, remember a few safety points. Avoid onions if you're allergic, on blood thinners, or have conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or frequent heartburn. Never eat them on an empty stomach. Use only fresh, clean onions. Spoiled ones can carry bacteria and cause discomfort. Also, when using crushed or sliced onions near your pillow, replace them often to maintain hygiene. The key to success is gentle consistency. You don't need to use all 4 methods at once. Just pick one. Add onions to your evening meal, place a bowl by your pillow, or sip diluted onion juice before bed, and give it a few nights to work. Your body will begin to recognize the signals that it's time to rest, and soon you'll rediscover the peaceful, deep sleep that once came naturally. Deep sleep never happens by chance. It happens when your body and mind receive the right cues. The onion, that simple vegetable sitting in your kitchen, can become your quiet ally in restoring rest, energy, and calm nights after 60. Try one of these methods tonight and share your experience in the comments. Your story might help someone else who is still awake, searching for peace. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to Golden Rest Guide, where every story is crafted to bring you closer to calm, restorative sleep, and natural wellness. Remember, true rest doesn't come from closing your eyes, but from calming your heart. I'm your guide from Golden Rest Guide, where age is not the end of your energy, it's the beginning of your wisdom. Sleep deeply, live gently, and keep your nights golden.